Welcome to Math Lab. Today, you're on your journey to discover comparison of fractions using fraction strips. Before we get started with the lab, you need to recall a few things. The first symbol means equal to. The second symbol means less than or smaller than. The third symbol means greater than or bigger than. Also, remember, fractions are a part of a whole. Today, you're provided with a number of fraction strips and a lab observation sheet which has a number of statements. Using your fraction strips, you will write whether each statement is true or false and give reasons for your answer. Look carefully at each fraction strip. The first thing you will do is to identify the shaded fraction. Look at the given strips. Can you identify the fractions? So right here we have 2 parts out of 3 shaded. So the fraction is 2 by 3. You can note the fractions on the strip itself. In the second strip, 1 part out of 3 is shaded. So the fraction is 1 by 3. In the third strip, 1 part out of 2 is shaded. So the fraction is 1 by 2 or half. In the fourth strip, 3 parts out of 6 is shaded. So the fraction is 3 by 6. Once you have written the shaded fraction on each strip, we can check whether the statements are true or false. Let us see whether 2 by 3 is less than 1/3. Now place 2 by 3 and 1/3 such that their lengths meet one below the other. Check whether the area of the colored region is the same or is one bigger than the other. We find that 2 by 3 is bigger than 1/3 or 1/3 is smaller than 2 by 3. Thus, 2 by 3 is less than 1/3 is false. Let us consider half is equal to 3 by 6. Now place half and 3 by 6 along their lengths, one below the other. Are the areas colored the same? Do you feel the statement is true? Have fun using your fraction strips to compare fractions.